Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube full screen lag in Chrome. This is a common issue that can make watching videos frustrating, but the solution is actually quite simple. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open up your Start menu and allow you to search for what we need. Once the Start menu appears, type Control Panel into the search bar and click on it when it shows up in the results. The Control Panel is where Windows stores most of its important system settings, and we'll be adjusting one of these settings to resolve your lag issue. When the Control Panel window opens, look for the option labeled Hardware and Sound and click on it. This section contains settings related to your computer's physical components and how they manage power consumption, which is exactly what we need to access for this fix. Inside the Hardware and Sound menu, you'll see several options. Find and click on Power Options. This is where Windows lets you control how your computer uses energy, and it directly affects your system's performance. The power plan you're currently using can actually cause your videos to lag because it may be limiting your computer's processing power. Now you'll see a section called Preferred Plans. Here's where the issue likely lies. You might notice that you currently have Power Saver selected as your active plan. The Power Saver mode is designed to extend battery life by reducing your computer's performance, which means it limits how much power your processor and graphics card can use. This limitation is what's causing your YouTube videos to lag when you switch to full screen, as full screen video playback requires more processing power. To fix this, simply click the radio button next to Balanced. This switches your power plan from Power Saver to Balanced mode. The Balanced plan gives your computer enough power to handle demanding tasks like full screen video playback while still being energy efficient. As soon as you select it, Windows will immediately apply this new power setting, and your YouTube full screen lag should be resolved. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the YouTube full screen lag issue in Chrome by adjusting your power settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.